Hello friends, welcome back to Let's Code channel. So here I'm back with an interesting playlist. So this is the most trending topic and I think most of the developers want to learn this because this is the most advanced skill available in the market which can just boost their career. So if you're trying to learn generative AI right now, chances are you are confused because I myself tried but there are not enough free resources from where you can be industry ready. So LangChain, RAG, agents, सब कुछ एक साथ देख के लगता है where do I even start from? Because we all are confused. Randomly we have this topic, that topic. So in this video, I'm going to give you a clear step-by-step roadmap from absolute beginner to actually building real AI system. So first of all, we will start with basics. So first we don't jump into tools, we will build our understanding. So we will understand what AI actually is, how it is different from ML, Gen AI, and everything, then how it is evolved, and most importantly, what this LLM is. Because this is the brain of generative AI. What exactly is an LLM is very important to know because everything in Gen AI starts from here. So if this is clear, okay, if this is clear, everything ahead becomes easy, I can guarantee you. Then how ChatGPT works. After that, we'll understand prompting. I have created this roadmap accordingly, like how you can connect dots and what you should know before understanding something else. Because I have myself learned, so I know the challenges. So we need to understand LLM. That is right. But after that, next step is to learn how to control them, and this is we prompting, which will basically help us control that. Because let's be honest, we have same AIs but different prompts, and we can see generally different outputs. So prompting is very important. So here we will learn how to get better results without writing complex code. Then we will understand how to code it, where most of the beginners struggle and they fear. So if you skip this, your AI apps will break. So here we will understand how to write small snippets and what is JSON, error handling, how to handle these errors, how to deal with API failures and structure your data properly. We'll understand the retry logic, parsing and everything. Basically, we will think like a developer. Then we have to understand RAG, but before that, hallucinations is very important, and this is very interesting also, to just imagine that how AI can be confidently wrong. So first we will understand why AI makes mistake and then how to fix it using things like embeddings, vector db, and then we will build our first real AI system, that will be chat with PDF. Here AI will stop guessing and start answering from data. Now that you understand the fundamentals, we will bring structure into our applications. So we will understand these chains, prompt templates, workflows. Instead of writing random code, we will learn how to build clean, reusable AI pipelines. Okay. Now we should level up from AI that responds to AI that acts. So here we will build systems that can actually take decision, use tools, and complete tasks step by step. This is where AI start behaving like an assistant, not just a chatbot. This is only the part where you can say that yes, I am industry ready, and then we'll create project to just get hands on it. So we'll definitely have that confidence that we can build anything. Okay, so just quickly recap the full roadmap so it's crystal clear. Okay, so let's just dive down and just see that we will start with basics, AI, LLMs, prompt engineering, and your first AI app. Then build your coding base, JSON, error handling, these all your coding base. Then we'll understand the core, that is tokens, cost, and this tokens and cost is very important. Hallucinations is important. Then move to real AI system, embeddings, RAG. These all are very important. Chunking strategies you should know if you are a developer. Now, tools in architecture, LangChain agents, memory systems, guardrails. This is for security. And if you are a good developer, your prime focus should be on security, and your outputs should be structured. So, if you follow this roadmap step by step, you won't just learn AI, you will actually be able to build AI system. So, in the next video, I will be starting from absolute basics. What is LLM? Explained in the simplest way possible. So, make sure you subscribe and let's build this together. So, I will be waiting for you all in my next video. So, just come and we'll learn together. Thank you. Bye bye.